Okay. I'm going to do the handover to Cam.
Who has a table bot? Who has a table bot?
A table bots. You got
I do.
1, 2, 3,
okay.
4,
Wow.
5. We got 5 table bots.
Okay. Okay.
Good.
So,
And he's loud enough. He doesn't need the mic.
15 years ago, a group of us in the special interest group were lamenting the lack of building activity in the club. We observed that building activity coincided with contests. We had a line following contest and a maze busting contest at the time. But these contests involved fixtures that had to be set up and stored, and there were rules and there were losers, and so we wanted to do something. We met at a library at the time that had tables, and we thought, let's do tabletop soccer. We thought, ooh, let's put nets around it and stuff. That would catch the robot if it fell, but that would be set up. That's when it was born, the table bot. A table bot is a robot that survives, lives, and plays on a table or pays the price. I could hear Bill Benson saying that this is not trivial, the tabletop soccer stuff. So how do you get to tabletop soccer? You get there the same way you would eat an elephant. That is, one bite at a time. Sorry folks, these are the jokes. Okay, so without any further ado, we do it in phases. Since 2003, we've done this in the months of June, August, and October. And the idea was that you would achieve, one, there's no setup. Two, there's no gaffer's tape? Two, there's no specifications on the robot, and three, you do this in phases. That is phase one, traditionally we've done in June, and that you go from one end of the table to the other and back. Phase two is push a block off the table, and phase three is to push the block into a shoebox mounted at the end of the table. And I'll tell you, I've seen all sizes of shoeboxes since doing this. You know, and you can set it up however you like to set it up. How you doing, buddy?
Why don't we use a triangle?
Why don't we use a triangle for what?
Try and see if we can push a triangle.
Okay. You actually, I've seen all shapes and sizes of blocks too. It's not judged by time. It's really kind of a show, and you know, as much fun as you can make it. You know, gives you the karma points. We've had folks throw the block into the shoebox and stuff like that. So without any further ado, this is my table bot.
I want to make a robot with a hand that just pushes it.
All right. Well, we'll do that. This guy is going to attempt to push the block into a shoebox mounted at the end of the table. So let me get my block. Let's see, where's my ball? Oh, here it is.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the block, here's the robot, there's the box. Let's see how this goes. I'm not proud.
Okay, comes the robot.
Well, it looks like he's going to push it off the. Looks like he's going to push it off the. That's okay.
I guess it's
all right, we got a wheel come on here.
Uh-oh.
Hey, let me try to get this on real fast, and we'll try it one more time.
I was trying to save the block.
I know that the robot was working against you that time, wasn't he?
Yeah, well, that was a good catch.
That was a good catch.
Yeah.
But can it have a happy face?
Not right now. Hey, okay, so we got another table bot here.
Yeah, Alan's got one.
Alan's got one.
Loki is the direct descendant of the club bot, which is the direct descendant of a table bot, but it's a little more sophisticated than that because it's running the full raw stack from a Raspberry Pi. So this is Ubiquity Robotics sort of dev kit for the Magni. So any program you write for Magni theoretically should be ready to run on Loki, and Loki will probably retail for around 200 approximately, and from that you could, basically,
Less without a Raspberry Pi.
okay, and
And what was the Magni price again?
It's going to be, for silver, we're going to probably have it at about $9.99 is what we're currently planning. And for gold, which will have all kinds of additional sensors, probably slightly less than a waffle, a Turtlebox 3 waffle.
so right now I'm running keyboard teleop. Rowan's done a wonderful job with our networking. So if you go to a strange environment and you don't have it attached to your local area network, it'll come up as its own access point. And once you do that, it is possible to run voice commands as well.
Connected.
Rotate right 90 degrees. Well, pretty good.
Use the odometry.
Metric degrees.
That's metric 90, that's right. Okay.
So now I'll try the other thing, which I may fall flat on my face. I'll try it. Forward 50 centimeters.
Now you better be using the odometry.
Unfortunately, it's not recognizing the voice command. So the idea is we're trying to get more of these ready, and we'll be looking for people who want to be beta testers for us, because we're lousy at writing documentation. So we want people to sort of beat up on these things. The other thing we're interested in is we're starting to do our marketing stuff. So we have a Facebook page, we have a web page. We want people to come and criticize, hopefully like, share it with your friends, and hopefully we're getting ready to start selling these in March. Woo! All right. So I wanted to show you RViz, but we couldn't do the, we're reading the sensors on RViz.
I saw it and it was working, and he's not paying me to say that. It's
Thank
true.
you.
I got my wheel back on.
Yay.
Let's see here. Let's see now. I got a phase 2 there, I believe. Let's see if we can get a phase 3 going here. Oh, wonderful.
Dancing.
Get it farther away.
Hey!
They can control it.
It seems like it's not trying to do an ultrasound or anything for proximity.
That's a robot.
There it goes. That's his dance. Okay, you're kind. Let's see, is there another table bot out there?
Yes. Here.
Mark Johnson, come on down.
When are you going to call me?
We should scratch that.
When are they going to call me?